Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Right now we're doing Bittorrent. Right now Bittorrent is like up in green 0.84%. It's looking very nice and healthy. I think this might actually be very good. I think what's gonna happen, it might be very good for Bittorrent, so I want to talk about that. Without further ado, let's get into the charts. Make my face small, charts bigger, as always, good thing. And we're gonna start by talking about what these lines are. Now, for the people that have been following my videos, of course, every single day we do Bittorrent videos, so if that's something for you, you might want to think about subscribing to the channel. Every single day we've been talking about these lines. This 0.079 line has been actually acting as a very nice support. Even though we have been broken the support, we have been holding it on the second day. So we usually go down, go up, go down, go up. Even here we went down, but here we couldn't go down, couldn't get above it, and then we failed to get back above the support, and we crashed down. Even on the way down, once we started going back up, we almost got to this level at 0.070, but still got failed at that and crashed back down again. So this level at 0.079 is very important to get above, right? So that's what we're gonna look at, and that's actually gonna be our benchmark for whether we are bullish or bearish. Also, we got this descending diagonal line. You might be saying, dude, it just hits 2 points. Yeah, it's not quite 2 points, it's more than 2 points. You gotta go down friends, but it is nice trend line, so you're gonna use it as a benchmark also for when we are out of the dump. So to get out of the dump, you gotta get out of this descending line, and also get above the 0.79. Once we have done that, I think we are gonna be pretty much in the clear because of this week over here that's happened. This week was very important on the weekly chart because we had a big live stream yesterday, 3 hours live stream for the Patreon group and everybody else, and the week went all the way down to the 10 moving average, and I was explaining how important that is for Bitcoin. I think no, sorry, not Bitcoin, but Bittorrent. And I think also I've been explaining that yesterday, how important that is for the price, because all the people that have been waiting to buy in at the 10 moving average got the chance to buy at the 10 moving average yesterday, or the day before that, 2 days ago, and now there are no more people waiting to buy a 10 moving because the people already got in. So all of the people that have been waiting, now they got in, and everybody's in now. So now that everybody's in, price should continue moving upwards. Let's see what's actually happening with the moving averages. But on the daily chart, you can see that we are still being pulled down by the moving averages on the daily chart. Are we actually being pulled or not? Kind of depends. Let's see a weekly chart, and we're gonna talk about this over here, right over here, the RSI, and why I'm thinking this might actually be very good for Bittorrent. I've mentioned this several times before, but today's Bitcoin video, if you go to my channel, you can find the Bitcoin video. It comes without notifications, so the only way to find it is either by checking my channel page on YouTube or going to joining our Telegram group, very nice community, like almost 2,000 people soon, and getting notified there, because that's where I post notification for these videos that I upload without notification. Now in the Bitcoin video, I was saying that we are short term, we are actually very bearish on Bitcoin, but right now all altcoins are like almost in green, so I think I might fail that one. I don't know if that's gonna fail or not, but as soon as if Bitcoin starts falling hard down, it's gonna pull everything with it. And I'm arguing that that's actually a very good thing for Bittorrent. If Bitcoin goes down, Bittorrent will also go down, and that means some very bullish signals for Bittorrent, because you have to understand that we went up here. This is the third week of correction consolidation. When we went up here, we got some we went to the overbought levels on the technicals, and we had to pull back down. So this pullback down, even this week down to the 10 moving average, was very necessary, very important. So we popped the cherry at 94, like we went all the way, and now we are pulling this rubber band index down. This rubber index, the perfect level for this rubber index, around 60 levels, between 60 and 70. Around 70 can work, 70 plus can work, but 60, 70 is nice. So last week we closed at 76. This level closed at 76. So this week, if this closes right now here, it will close at 67. And if it pulls it further down before the close, we might actually even close even lower than that, and that's gonna be perfect levels on the weekly chart for the price to move higher up. That's gonna be fantastic. Not only that, this 10 moving average will go all the way up to something like 0.005 or something like that, and if price goes down a little bit down, now you're sitting on the moving 10 moving average next week, and that's the perfect timing for price to start moving up. Now I've been telling you guys that this that Bittorrent is actually very bullish because of this candle over here and this candle over here, because this candle showed that people wanted to I mean, there was so much buying, you can see it on the volume, so much buying, people wanted to break out and go higher, but it just wasn't the time. And on this candle there was so much buying as soon as it hit that 10 moving average that the bullishness is really there. People want this to go higher, but they are just waiting for what Bitcoin is gonna do. And on the weekly time frame, I'm telling you, we went to some overbought levels because nobody wants to buy on the weekly chart. Like people with money, big money, they are buying once a week, so they are looking for this 10 moving average, this white line. So when price goes away from the 10 moving average, it has to go some kind of sideways to hit the 10 moving average, and then goes away from 10 moving average and it goes hit the 10 moving average and stuff like that. And now it went away from the 10 moving average, so we have to wait for it to come to the 10 moving average, so the big money can say, okay, now you can continue going up. So that said, this can actually turn out to be a very good thing for Bittorrent, but we have to say is what's gonna happen. Also on the daily time frame, this indicator down here, MACD indicator, is first of all the RSI indicator is sitting on very nice levels around 49.50. Those are like perfect levels to start going higher up. You can see it both here and down here. These 50 levels are perfect, and this bearish cross have been going on, bearish MACD indicator, this bearish cross has been going on, this red histograms has been going on for quite extended time, and now I think we're coming to the place where we are supposed to turn the tides. We are supposed to go from diverging to converging lines, and that will indicate the reversal pattern also for Bittorrent. So let me just quickly see what we have here on the small time frames. You can see on the 1 hourly time frames we are below all the moving averages. Let me pop the moving averages. Well, we are actually above the 50 moving average, so that's actually, but that's more bullish than actually I can say for example Bitcoin, that's actually below all the moving averages, and that's why I'm saying that we might actually continue going down. But right now on 1 hourly we are, but on the 4 hourly we are unfortunately below all the moving averages right now, and on the daily below all the moving averages. Technically we are in a downtrend, we are still bearish, and we are still following what Bitcoin is gonna do, but these indicators are getting to some seriously low levels, and I'm thinking like if we can close the day even a little bit more. I know you guys wanted to go in green right now and all of that shebang, but I'm telling you, it's important to pull down the indicators, and once you do that, the price can actually go up. That said, subscribe to my channel and check out the links below for the Telegram group, because in the Telegram group is where I actually announce people on my Bitcoin videos, because I post like 6+ videos every day, and only 3 of those videos goes with notifications. Other videos has no notifications, so only way to figure out is either checking my page or being on Telegram and getting a notification for that. That said, also there is a link down below for the Patreon page. If you have trouble figuring out what coins to buy, what coins to sell, what's good, what's not, what's pumped, what isn't pumped and stuff like right now, a lot of people are talking about that Solana Sol, right? But that thing is pumped so much that like, you know, are you really gonna buy at those levels? So that's what those things are the things we talk about on the Patreon. That's it. Thanks guys for watching. See you around. Bye bye.